We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the DRONEEYE 4DV13 drone with 1080p HD FPV camera. This drone has been marketed as an affordable, beginner-friendly option for kids and adults alike, and here's what users have to say about it. If you own this drone, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The DRONEEYE 4DV13 is a compact, lightweight quadcopter designed with beginners in mind. It features a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera capable of capturing aerial photos and videos, which can be viewed live through a specialized app on your smartphone. Users appreciate the inclusion of 2 rechargeable batteries, which provide a combined flight time of up to 32 minutes, allowing for extended fun. The drone also includes several beginner-friendly features such as one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it easier for first-time pilots to get started. One of the standout features of this drone is its affordability. Many users have highlighted that for under $50, the DRONEEYE 4DV13 offers great value. It's seen as an excellent starter drone for those who want to learn how to fly without investing in a high-end model. The inclusion of fun features like 3D flips, gesture selfies, and waypoint functions adds to its appeal, especially for younger users or those looking for casual entertainment. However, there are some notable drawbacks that users have pointed out. While the camera is advertised as 1080p HD, many reviews suggest that the video quality is closer to what you'd expect from older technology, with some comparing it to flip phone cameras from the late 1990s. The app used for FPV transmission has also received criticism for its instability and lag, which can detract from the overall experience. Additionally, some users have reported issues with accessing the secondary downward-facing camera, which seems to be non-functional in certain cases. The build quality of the DRONEEYE 4DV13 has been described as average. While it's durable enough to withstand minor crashes, an important feature for beginners, it doesn't exude a sense of premium craftsmanship. The materials feel basic, and some users have noted that the battery compartment isn't very secure. Batteries may fall out during collisions. This could be a concern for those flying in areas where retrieving a lost battery might be challenging. Control sensitivity is another mixed aspect of this drone. The joysticks on the remote control are highly responsive, which can be both a blessing and a curse. For experienced users, this might allow for precise maneuvers, but beginners may find it difficult to stabilize the drone or execute smooth movements without practice. Some reviewers have mentioned that the drone tends to drift unpredictably, making it harder to control in outdoor environments with even light winds. Speaking of outdoor use, wind resistance is another limitation of this model. The DRONEEYE 4DV13 struggles in winds exceeding 10 to 15 miles per hour. This means it's best suited for calm days or indoor use. Users who attempted to fly it in windy conditions often reported losing control or even losing the drone entirely. This is something to keep in mind if you plan on using it outdoors frequently. The flight time provided by the 2 included batteries is generally seen as satisfactory given the price point. Each battery offers around 10-15 minutes of flight time depending on usage and environmental conditions. However, some users have expressed frustration at not being able to purchase additional batteries separately. Instead, they are bundled with other accessories like propellers and protective covers. In terms of safety features, the DRONEEYE 4DV13 includes low power alarms and emergency stop functions, along with propeller guards to minimize damage during crashes. These features are particularly appreciated by parents purchasing this drone for their children or by beginners who are still mastering basic flight skills. Despite its shortcomings, many users find this drone enjoyable and worth its price tag as a learning tool or casual toy. It's not designed for professional photography or advanced aerial maneuvers, but serves as an accessible entry point into the world of drones. Several reviewers mentioned that they were glad they didn't invest in a more expensive model right away, since this one allowed them to practice without fear of breaking an expensive device. On the flip side, there are users who were disappointed by its performance and durability over time. Some reported that their drones stopped functioning after just a few uses due to issues like malfunctioning rotors or connectivity problems with the app. These experiences highlight that while this drone can be a lot of fun initially, its long-term reliability may not meet everyone's expectations. Overall, the DRONEEYE 4DV13 is best suited for beginners who want an affordable way to explore flying drones without committing to a high-end purchase. It's ideal for kids or adults looking for casual entertainment rather than serious aerial photography or advanced piloting capabilities. If you're willing to overlook its limitations in video quality and app functionality, and approach it as a learning tool rather than a professional-grade device, it can provide hours of enjoyment. If you're interested in purchasing this product or learning more about it, check out the link provided in the description. Supporting this channel through your purchase helps us continue creating detailed reviews like this one.